Crafting with Mrs. Waller. Today we're going to be making some penny spinners. To make your penny spinner you will need some card, some thicker card this time, some plain paper, some glue, scissors, felt tip pens, a pencil, a penny and something circular to draw around like a cup or a glass. Taking your card, you'll need to draw around your glass. And you'll need to cut this out. Here's one I cut out earlier. Your next step would be do the same thing with your plain paper. This is so you can do a nice design on it. So you draw around your circle and cut it out. So you end up with this. Now it's very important that you find the centre point of your circle, and to do this, if you fold your circle in half and then in half again, so you make a quarter and unfold it, you can then put a dot in the centre of your circle where the two lines meet. Now using your penny, pop that over the dots and mark either side of your penny so you know how wide a hole you'll need to cut later. Right, so now you've got your paper here, you can start a design. I've done several different types of design. I've got flowers, spirals. This one here I created by carrying on folding my piece of paper, so I did the half, the quarter and then the eighths by folding it again in half to make my triangles on my piece of paper and coloured each segment in. So these ones are in eighths. Or you can do this one here, which is spotty, like a nice spotty one. When you've done your design and you're happy with it, you'll need to glue it onto your cardboard disc. Make sure there's plenty of glue on there because you don't want them coming apart. Like this. Once you've glued your design onto your cardboard disc, you'll need to make the slot for your penny. To do this, you'll need to have adult help possibly. Using a sharp pair of scissors, you cut a hole in the centre of your disc between the points that you marked, like this. And then slot your penny into the centre. Now your penny spinner's ready to spin. Spinners are not only fun to play with, but there is some science behind them. As you look down on the top of your spinner as it's spinning, what colours can you see? Have you made a different colour using the patterns you've created? There's some other science behind your spinner as well. There's some different forces at play. I wonder which forces they are. With this spinner here, I used a 2p coin in the centre, but I don't think it works as well or as long. Why? about you create your own science experiment using different coins? Maybe you can tell me why later. This is all for now. Stay safe, happy crafting, bye bye.